Farmer Mike, live from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives. Right behind me, 18th and Vine. Right down there, 18th and Vine, improvisational jazz. Our gift to the world. Kansas City right there. Gotta love that improvisational jazz. City of champions, what we're called world champions, agricultural champions, and pioneers. That's Grandmother Ophelia. Say hi, Miss Ophelia. Today's free master class. As we wait for the storm to come in, I'm going to talk a little bit about this product right here. This, ladies and gentlemen, is called bone meal. All right, so today's master class, we're talking a little bit about bone meal. And this is an organic plant food. This is a 680. And so this right here is going to give you a natural organic source of phosphorus and calcium that's going to provide some vibrant blooms, delicious vegetables for your vegetables, also for your roses. The rose bushes over here, right here, that's going to help them out as well. And so this is what we're doing today real quick. And the calculation, we're going to use 1 cup for every 20 square feet. So that's what it calls for. We're going to sprinkle it in. And I'm going to do this to an area of the garden that needed some calcium, that we did tomatoes. So we're going to apply this to an area that we know we're going to put tomatoes in next year, and we don't want to get that blossom in rot. So this is how we are going to take some preventative measures in here. In a couple of hours, it's going to snow, and that's great because we'll sprinkle it in, and we'll let nature take it down into the soil and take it the rest of the way. We'll sprinkle it in, and we'll go ahead and then we'll lightly rake it in, and then we'll call that done for today. So I'm going to go ahead. Where's my knife? Go ahead. Oh, and if you love what we're doing here at Ophelia's, make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on our YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Over 400 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. Go ahead. Cut one of these babies open. Go ahead and cut it open. This might irritate your skin, so make sure that when you use this, the bone meal or the blood meal, that you have a glove on, okay? Because it will irritate your skin. So make sure that you have a glove on when you use this. And this is what it looks like right here. Oh, I'm dropping the money. That's what it looks like right there. That's what it looks like right there. Okay. All right. Again, you can pick this up in any of your nursery stores. So that's what we're looking at right there. And Farmer Mike is going to walk over to this area. In this particular area, I already put some lime down because I'm adjusting the pH right here at this area. And so that's what the white stuff is right there. And so now all we're going to do, we're going to reach in here, reach in this bag, put the bag down. Gotta love burpee. And this was a tag from last year, and that was a plant that I didn't want to sell, so I was just growing that for not for sale. So that's why I had that in there. And you can reuse it, so get 2 years out of these as well. So quick hack right there. Don't worry about that. Run a line with the marker through that, and recycle this. Use this again 1 more year. So we're gonna take it. And we're just going to sprinkle it just like that. Sprinkle it just like that. We're getting a handy dandy rake. And we're just going to lightly rake it in. Do this there. Do it one more time for the people just joining us. All right. Adding a little bone meal in. Get some calcium to our soil right there. Make sure we have a prosperous year, okay? A prosperous, or shall I say, a phosphorus year. Oh, Mike, you're killing me. You're killing me. Because we are adding calcium and phosphorus to the soil. And I'm going to give it one more sprinkle right here. As have you heard of Salt Bay? I am Phosphorus Bay right there. Oh, having too much fun. If you love what we're doing here at Ophelia's Bluevine Farm, make sure to like and subscribe. Tell a friend. We'll do 400 videos this year. 400 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. And today we've been amending our soil with bone meal. Yes. So follow me if you want to learn how to do it. And there we go. We'll show you how to get your soil right, get your phosphorus levels up, and get your calcium levels up, and then maybe tomorrow we'll do another video, and but we won't do it on bone meal. We'll do a video on this right here, blood meal. Bam! Oh, blood! That, my friends. But that is another video.